If your PS4 keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, this guide will walk you through a few simple fixes that can help. Start by opening settings on your PS4. Next, go to Network and select Set up Internet Connection. If possible, use a LAN, Ethernet, cable instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection is usually faster, more stable, and less likely to disconnect. However, if you prefer using Wi-Fi, choose Use Wi-Fi, then select Easy to begin the setup. Another thing to try is moving your PS4 closer to your router. Walls, furniture, and other obstacles can weaken the Wi-Fi signal and cause random connection drops. When your list of Wi-Fi networks appears, highlight your network, press the Options button on your controller, and select Wi-Fi frequency bands. If the setting is currently on automatic or 5 GHz only, switch it to 2.4 GHz only. While 2.4 GHz may not be as fast, it usually provides a stronger and more reliable connection, especially if your PS4 is farther away from the router. After changing the frequency band, select your Wi-Fi network, enter your password if prompted, and reconnect. Your PS4 will now use the 2.4 GHz band, which may help prevent random Wi-Fi disconnections. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful PS4 tutorials.